Hello guys, welcome to another interesting practical class on Benco Institute of Technical Studies. So in today's class we'll be looking at a gasoline generator, this portable gasoline generator, TG950 generator, Chinese model. Okay, what we'll be doing basically on today's class is to see how we can reduce the sound of this generator. Okay, it's not difficult per se, but if you don't know it, you don't know it. It's as simple as that. So how are we going to reduce the sound of the generator? The client, the owner of the generator, has complained several times that the generator sound is too high, and of course it disturbs. So for that reason, we'll be reducing the sound of the generator. All right, if you look carefully, for those that don't know, this is the tank of the generator. This is where the fuel, the petrol of the generator is being housed. If you look just under the tank, just under this tank, there is a point here. It has a screw. It has a screw. This screw is connected to the governor. This screw is connected to the governor. This screw aids for increase in the speed of the generator, that is if you take it to the right, and as well as reduction in the speed of the generator. Now, if we are going to reduce the sound of the generator, what that simply means is we are reducing the speed of the generator. Taking this to the left, after inserting the screwdriver, when you insert it to the screw, when you take it to the left, what it simply means, it's you are reducing it. And when you take it to the right, what it simply means is you are increasing the sound. What other things that sound affects, or this increase in the sound affects, is it can also affect the voltage of your generator. When you take it to the right, the voltage of your generator increases. When you take it to the left, the voltage of your generator reduces. Now, I'll put on the generator so you get first hand the initial sound of the generator, and also get first hand the sound of the generator after we've reduced it using that screw I pointed out earlier. That is the sound of the generator, but I'm going to reduce it via this screw. Reducing it via this screw. You will tell the difference between the first sound you heard and this particular one. Putting the generator on again. It's as simple as that. Just a recap. I said earlier, if you want to increase the sound of the generator, you take to the right, and reduce, you take to the left. And I did that as well. I took to the left to reduce the sound of this generator. That is it from us, from this class. If you have subscribed to this channel, thank you very much. If you haven't, please do well to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you are in the know when other videos are posted, and please do well to share this link to friends and family. Do not forget to drop your comment in the comment section so we can interact as a family. Till we meet in our next class, it's goodbye from our end. Thank you.